Hey Siri, how is the weather today?
It's currently partly cloudy and -4 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from -4 degrees to -7 tonight.
Go to closest gas station.
Head east on Conrad Crescent toward Hobbs Gate, then turn right onto Hobbs Gate.
Some things that we went through that I can never seem to forget. I think of you.
Go to CN Tower.
Let's take Don Valley Parkway South Toronto. This route is 14 minutes faster than Don Valley Parkway South Pape Avenue, Toronto. Continue on Ontario 404 South for 7 kilometers.
Add a stop on a gas station.
Showing results for add a stop on a gas station along your route. Right now in Markham it's -4 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of -4 and a low of -9. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -9.
Go to closest restaurant.
Okay, handing off to Waze. Let's take Hobbs Gate, 14th Avenue, Woodbine Avenue, Markham.
But the safest hands are still our own.